life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life.
Someone cover that breach! Let no one in! Get him off that thing! Knock him off! Watch out! Don't let him get the gates open! Jack, get those flares! Noah, stay down! Helen, the gunner! Seaplane to the core! Get down! Come on. What'd you do? Stay there! Hurry up! Someone take him out! I got the girl! Topside! Hey! Where do you think you're going? No! Signal the deacon! Did I say anybody could leave before this fight? You're dead. Give me the gun. Get that girl for me right now, will ya? Kayla, where the world are you going? Meredith's trying to be here. I can see him, and I've got one lousy eye. Hiding! Take this guy's head out. Tear it off. We've got guns, he's got water, and he's kicking our butts. Chuck? Yeah, we'll talk later. You've got a plan, right? Right? Train back down. You did, boss.
Take care. Get over here and find out what's wrong with this. She's getting away.
you drove with a fish boy. He's not your kind. No, he doesn't have a kind. Let's fillet the flounder. Kay! Not the girl, you idiot! Come on, make your move. You're fired! You're hired again. Give me another weapon. You're the life of the party, aren't you? Well, you're not going to destroy my plans for Dryland, you guilt-neck freak! That's all you are, is a freak! He sprayed me. Give me a weapon. Where? Alex! Did you see? Oh, you were there. Welcome to the party. Come on, fish boy, let's go. Me and you. Come and get it.
Hey, you've got something out there. I think we got him.
Stop kicking people. I want him dead, Chuck. Get up top and get that skyboat back in here. What's wrong with you? Shut up, please. Alex, duck! Sorry, my bad. I did something bigger. Well. Ask and you shall receive. Hey, fish boy, look what I found. Big Bertha. Do me a favor up there and stand in one spot. I am getting closer. Okay, you're gonna use Chuck as a shield? Good luck with that. Yes! Okay, thank you. Get up! Come on, we gotta go. Somebody signal my plane! All my men are dead. Good. Yeah. Your boyfriend is dead too. Climb that ladder. Faster! I've got a brand new vision just popped into my head. It's brilliant! Helen, you're gonna love it. Well, you'll like it. Okay, you'll get used to it. Pilgrimage to dry land. Oh, and by the way, you're coming along. I insist, you're my map. Who can possibly stop me?
Oh my God, this
Push! No! Oh! I got it! Wait! You go pack! I'll get the plane! Pathetic. Gotta bring that thing back, boys.
I'll get the back.
No, you won't. You're not going anywhere. Not with a big hole in your boat. Guys! Ah! Now! Hit my plane! Hero! Pull it out! Pull it out! One way to go. Killed my plane. You think you won? I got your woman and I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand up. Yes! I dig in a water world celebrate the birth of a new nation.
No.
Dry land is my destiny! What?
animal trainers, Miss Amanda Hernandez.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hi, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors. My name's Amanda, and this is my friend Rusco. And we both work for a company that's been training animals for movies and television for over 40 years. Now, most people don't know is that many of their favorite animal stars come from rescues and shelters. And just like Rusco, they got their training right here on this stage in front of a live audience. In a little while, we're going to reveal what it took for our animal stars to make it on the big screen. Meantime, sweetie, you're all set. Off you go. Okay, let's get this show started with a little friend of mine from Ace Ventura Pet Detective, and we bought a zoo. This is Flappy. Hey there, Flappy. Action! Yeah! Put that dog on decaf. Go ahead and wait in your trailer. Nice audition, you two. Reed's up next. Keep it going. Lights, camera, action! I'm so sorry about that. Go ahead and stand up for me, buddy. Oh, well, it's hot out here, and that'll dry in no time. How about a round of applause for Logan? Welcome to Hollywood, buddy. You're officially a trainer for the day.
Thank you, Susan. Hey, Jamie, you ready over there?
Ready.
Chris, ready to burn?
Ready.
Ready and action!
Lighting. You're lit.
I found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same. Everywhere is painted with your name. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Try to replace you with somebody out there. If I didn't chase you, would you even care? And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.